Hey, what's up? Jason here from Unity3D.College. Earlier today I was working on a video where I was diving into a multiplayer network project and taking a look at some bugs in there, fixing them, and just kind of showing how to fix a UNet project and make it all work, get things spawning and all that. But while I was getting set up and running through this, I realized that there's a tool that I use for multiplayer network projects that if you don't know about, you definitely need to. It's a huge time saver, and it makes it a lot easier when you're going in and trying to connect from one client to another, and you want to do this in the editor. You've probably tried it before, and you have to copy over the project if you want to have two editors there. Then you make changes in one, you got to copy them over to the other one. But there's, like I said, this nice little editor tool that makes it nice and simple, and that's the UEcho, which is on the muchdifferent.com site. I notice there's not a lot of links to this. There's a forum post about it, and I found out about it through a friend a while ago. I wish I'd known about this thing a long time ago, though. It's a huge time saver when you're building these things. So I'm going to run through the process of setting that up. We'll just download it, and I'm going to drop it right into this project here. Just show you how it works and why I think it's so awesome. So once the pack's imported, you'll get the menu right here, and if you just hit edit clones, there's a nice little window that shows the existing clones. What this is going to do is allow me to clone my project, open it up in another editor window, and then have those changes just kind of be automatically mapped across. So again, there are other ways to do this, but this is by far the simplest way to do it. So here I'm in this window. What I like to do is just go add, new clone, and then pick a folder for it. I'll just use that default name, and it's going to copy everything over and copy that whole cache over, and then we're going to right click on it and open up another editor. So just hit right click, open editor in new window. So this is just going to launch a copy of this project in this other folder, and now I can have two instances of the same game running. Alright, there we go. Now we've got two of them up and running. I can pull them up kind of side by side like this. And watch as I make some changes here. Let's get in. Let's just close both those windows. I'm going to zoom out or zoom. Oh, I need to actually open up a scene. So let's open up the scene in this project, this test scene, and zoom in. You can see it's just got two buttons here. You'll see this in the other video if you're subscribed and watch when I dive into this project. And I'm going to open it up in this window too. And remember, these are different projects, so I'm able to open them at the same time and run them together. And then I can go in, maybe I just, as a quick sample, change the color of one of these buttons, save the scene, click back over to the other one, and you see it already detected the change, hit reload, and we're good. Now this will work for prefab, scripts, scenes, anything in your project, so it makes it really easy when I'm making changes on one side to just have it automatically work on the other side and not have to go in and copy that work around. And again, for a multiplayer project, being able to start up two instances of the editor is a huge time saver. It makes it a whole lot easier than doing a build and running an editor version against a built version. So if you're doing any multiplayer development at all, I highly recommend you just grab this asset pack, pull it into your project, and give it a try. And if you're just doing general Unity development, I highly recommend you subscribe to the channel, hit the little alert button and the thumbs up and all that fun stuff. Alright, thanks for watching. That's all.